Hello everyone. Birds, a worksheet coming up. Question 1. I suck nectar from flowers. Which bird am I? Question 2. A person who studies about birds. Who is he? Question 3. I can sleep or rest on wires or branches of tree. Which type of bird am I? Question 4. I have an ability to flap my wings 90 times in just 1 second. Which bird am I? Question 5. I can imitate human voice. Which bird am I? Now let's look at the answers. 1. Sunbird. Answer 2. Ornithologist. Answer 3. Perching birds. Answer 4. Hummingbird. And answer 5 you'll write in the comment box. Thank you.